So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can mirror an existing object over your Blender software. Like if you are working on a workspace on and creating a 3D model, you can easily mirror an existing object. So to do that, all you need to do is to first simply open the Blender on whatever device you are using. For example, if I open it on my Windows device, now let me first create an object that you can easily understand. For example, if I create a new monkey object, now this is the basic object that have been created. I can first simply set it to the location as I want, and now I can just simply make changes to this object. Even if it is by defaultly created, I can make changes over the existing object. So to do that, all you need to do is to first simply select the object by tapping it once, or you can select it from here also. Now all you need to do is to just simply click on this button of object over this top window. When you click there, here you're gonna find this window, first option of transform, and when you over your mouse over there, you're gonna find this particular window. All you need to do, you can just simply directly go to this option of mirror also, and when you go there, you're gonna find the rotation about an axis. You can either make it mirror image over the x-axis, over the y-axis, over the z-axis, and you can even make the changes over the local or the global level also. So you can easily make the changes just by tapping over there. You can see now the image has been mirrored, or you may not be able to understand by that easily, but you can easily understand if you are using it over your workspace also. So by this method you can easily mirror an existing object over your Blender workspace. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.